Good afternoon, class. We are Eco Solutions, and this is our hashtag EcoSafe. So you guys go ahead and start tweeting. So yeah. But we're going to continue with the presentation. Our mission statement. Our mission is to sell an efficient car known as the Green Spirit that not only has no CO2 emissions, but is water-based, taking 30% of our profit and to donate it to companies and programs that are designed to make people aware of the dangers that are caused in the environment. And this is our story. Last year, October 12th, my grandmother, she took a trip to New Jersey and she didn't make it back, and that was due to the hurricane that had struck. And losing a family member from the natural disasters, as well as witnessing man-made pollution from cars, factories, and landfills, brought upon the idea of the Green Spirit. And creating Green Spirit will help reduce global warming and many natural disasters. And we also wanted to develop a way to keep the environment green without using limited resources such as gas and oil that produces pollution. Instead, we came up with the idea of using salt water as the replacement for gasoline.
The global problem that is being addressed, we found throughout the U.S. that the leading cause of all this is global warming, and it has brought many storms and disasters, and creating Green Spirit will decrease air pollution, which is the key behind these unfortunate events. And then how does this connect with our product? It doesn't contribute to global warming because it doesn't burn needed fossil fuels. Our product is gasoline free and will also help with financial issues.
What resources do we have for our product? The first thing is water. It's free and there's plenty of it. Also, the positive of having electrolysis is that it requires salt water, and there's plenty of that too.
I did the research on this, and there's many components that need to be put into the factory to make the car. The car needs a power source, which needs to be 12-volt direct current, and this can be achieved by putting an alternator into the car, which would be powered by a belt that would be connected to the hydrogen engine. And the engine would be powered by hydrogen, which would be, you get hydrogen from electrolysis. And the way that works is, that's the car, that's the concept. It wouldn't look like that, it would just, that's the little mini car that you can actually buy now. You can see the water in the back, and a electric current is being passed through it that separates oxygen and hydrogen into two parts. And this is what it looks like, that one part that's on the back. The red tube is for oxygen, and the oxygen is collected in that little part that's up top where there's no water. And on the other side, hydrogen is collected in the part where there's no water, and if you fill a tube with hydrogen and then put a fire to it, it makes a pop sound. And that's why you can use it as a source of energy for your engine.
The 10 core values for EcoSafe was to stay green. We want to provide an eco-safe environment, and we want to help keep and maintain that. We want to keep the product simple for consumers to use. We want to have an impact. We want to influence our consumers into helping us keep and maintain a safe environment. We want it to be fun. We're going to enjoy making the product. We want our employees to enjoy their job, and we want the consumers to enjoy our product. We want a high quality employment. We want to hire the best employees to make our product more pleasurable. Stimulation, we want to educate the consumers about the environment and how they can help reduce pollution. Integrity, we want to build a trustworthy relationship with our consumers. Guidance, we're actually going to help people make the environment safer by them buying our car. Inspiration, we want to inspire people to be eco-friendly and We want to show them how it can change the way we live and we can have a better world. And oversight, obligating a stronger and more durable company. Our step-by-step business plan, each product we sell, 30% of the profits will go to a Go Green company or program. Programs that'll make people aware of the actual dangers of pollution, and some programs that'll actually help animals that have been hurt by this pollution.
The limitations and challenges of our company, one would be money, because we're our own CEOs. Also, this will be harder to have bigger people to sponsor us. Making sure that the product is produced correctly and works efficiently.
And in 10 years, our business has grown by 75% in sales, and we're reaching out to people all around the world. We have reduced CO2 emissions by 50%, and we have educated people on how serious the effects of global warming are and how our company helped pull America out of the recession. They have grown and showed people the dangers of global warming, and they have also started their own shelters and feeding programs to those who have been severely affected by the natural disasters.
And those are our references.
And that is our presentation.